What a beautiful trading session today. We locked over $1,300 in profit today, so trading NQ. So in today's video, I'm gonna break down the exact trade, the plan, and the execution. So what I saw before the market opened and how we executed the trade. So let's go. So before the market opened, we kind of knew that there is a high chance it will be a very volatile session, simply because we had NFP day and we had big difference between the forecast number and the actual result. So the plan coming to the session was expecting a big and aggressive trend. When you have a surprise like this large, institutions need to reposition themselves. Funds need to adjust and algorithms start reacting. So like I said, going to the open, I was not looking for a scalp. I was looking for a home run trade. I was open to the idea that I'm going to hold my trade a little bit longer, simply because there is an element of shock and we had a big difference between forecasts and actual results. So as the market opened, we had a really big increase of volatility. We had NQ on the 1 minute. The ATR was around 30 points or more. The volatility was high since the open. So now let's talk about the actual setup, because this trade was not random. Like I said, we planned the trade, we executed the trade, we analyzed price, footprint chart. So going to the New York session, as you could see here, my bias was bearish, simply because we have, as you could see here, Asian session trending lower, London session trending lower. So based on my rules, I was expecting a continuation to the downside on the New York session. So right after the market opened, we got something that immediately caught my attention. As you could see here on the 3-minute chart, we had what I call a squeeze candle. So we have a high volume candle with no continuation to the upside. So the moment we got this one green candle, next candle start to push down, I knew that there is a high chance this downtrend movement will continue. So you could see here, we already create lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. I had an area of interest here, a support area, but since the sellers were more aggressive, I was looking more for shorts. So and then next, I want to know whether the buyers are actually taking control or they are simply creating a temporary pullback. So as you could see here, so this is the 5-minute footprint chart. So you could see the open. When we opened, you could see at the top we had 194 buyers at the top of the candle with no continuation. So the market just printed a 194 buy cluster, okay, and then we came back and closed below. You could see here we had a lot of sellers at the top also, 226, and then we closed green. The way the next 5-minute candle opened was very aggressive. So we had big buyers, 295, but they got absorbed. So for me, when I saw this minus 579, my first reaction was more, there is a high chance we could absorb those sellers and we will get a deep retracement back up, and maybe later during the day we will get the push lower. But the moment this third candle opened, and there were a lot of volume in this candle, and we closed below those big sellers, I knew that the market is too strong to the downside. So I was just looking for shorts. So we took a short setup. We use MAK candles and confirmation. So I will do a separate video, guys, to explain just how I draw my zones, okay, and how I combine them with the footprint. But this is our first area of interest that we had. We never got the retest, and then we had another one here. So this is what we call MAK candle. Just to explain it briefly, guys, what I call a MAK candle is simply a red candle that breaks the previous candle high, and we close red, and then we have a confirmation, and we got the retest right here. Stop loss was above the zone, and then we had beautiful continuation to the downside. If you will see, guys, the footprint chart, you will see with this continuation to the downside, every time we have sellers, we respect them and we trade below them. So you could see also here minus 504 big sellers We respect those big sellers. We have a little bit of buyers trying to jump in. They got absorbed, more sellers, and I think we exit fully around this area here. We exit fully, I think, around 140 something points. The market after that melted down, but we took really nice trade. By the way, guys, this trade was taken with the community live, so if you want to join us live, you could join the free Discord below, and I send the link there. You could join us. We trade live every day. The New York session open, so feel free. Overall, guys, an incredible Friday session. So not every Friday we get movement like this, but it was an NFP week, so we had NFP, and especially there is a shock. So the main thing here, guys, is you could be a technical trader, but you need to understand a little bit of fundamentals, because that's what's driving the market, that's what's moving the market. And for me, like, every time we have a shock element, we have something unexpected, we have high volatility, and we have strong movements. So I hope, guys, you like this video. So I will be trying to post every week one video on the channel, so don't hesitate to follow, and see you guys on the next video. Thank you.